Hi guys, today I'll show you how to add a printer to Cura. First, click on the printer profile section. After that, click on the Add Printer button. In the window that opens, choose the printer type. If you are using Altmaker printer, select Altmaker. If you have a different brand, choose non-Altmaker. Since the Ender 3 isn't Altmaker brand, I'm selecting non-Altmaker. If your printer supports Wi-Fi, you can refresh the page to pair it. If not, you'll need to edit manually. Once you find your printer in the list, select it and click the Add button. Proceed without changing the settings by clicking the next button. That's it. Now you can start printing. Thanks for watching.